So as you can see and as you can tell by the title, we are here for another hair review. This hair review is going to be about this hair that I was sent from the vendor off AliExpress named VIP Beauty Hair, and they did send me out their Peruvian straight hair, and I did receive a 20-inch frontal as well as 4 24-inch bundles from them. So yes, they did send me out this hair to review and to get my honest opinion on, so that is why we are here. So we're just gonna hop right on into the specs and everything. So I did receive this hair via FedEx. It took about 3 days to get to me. When I took everything out of the packaging, I didn't get any strong odors or smells. Everything seemed great. The only thing that I could see that was alarming, not alarming, but the only thing that I could see that I knew I was gonna want to attack was the ends. They weren't terrible, but I knew when I installed all my bundles, I was gonna want to trim them up some. So I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So y'all can kind of see, as you can see here, I did kind of trim them up some, just to give them a more even, healthier look. But that's the only thing that I saw that was kind of like, okay, I need to take care of. So yes, they did send me out a frontal, so I did have to go ahead on and customize it. So I did bleach the knots, and I did plug the hairline and customize the hairline. This hairline was, it didn't give me any help when it came to the hairline, so I had to basically make the hairline myself. So this is what I am looking like right now. When it came to the packaging was just the standard AliExpress hair vendor packaging when it comes in that little mesh plastic Ziploc bag. That's how it came. Okay, so when it comes to the maintenance and how well it keeps up, to me, I've had no issues with the maintenance. The maintenance is of course fairly low. With this hair, I was really able to like test it out because one of my friends, she had a birthday over this past month. So I did go out with her to the club, so you know it gets hot and all of that in there, and I was able to walk out of there with all of that sweat and heat and humidity and do just like this to my hair. Y'all know lie, like I did not have any issues. Now this hair of course is long, so it may not be to your liking for right now with this heat, but y'all know since it's on a wig, I'm good. Like I can wear this today and switch to a short one tomorrow. But yeah, this hair, the maintenance is fairly low. Like it's been very, very easy keeping up with this hair. All I really have to do is pop it on and go and run my flat iron through it a couple of times. I have curl wand this hair. I don't have any pictures, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna start trying to take more pictures, but I have curl wand this hair and it did hold a curl pretty well. Y'all know I love co-washing my hair once a week, but honestly, to be honest, I have not co-washed this hair in the past 2 weeks and it still looks good. It looks just like this, and I wore this hair for this whole entire week, and this is how I'm looking. Shedding and tangling. Shedding, it's pretty much no shedding unless I'm detangling my hair, and when I detangle my hair, it's maybe a strand, but I don't have any issues at all with shedding. The only shedding that I may get is from my frontal, and I'm not saying that in a bad way. It's just, you know, when you manipulate the frontal and you bleach it, it weakens the knot, so you do receive some shedding. So I would say most of my shedding comes from the frontal, but it's maybe a strand or two here and there, but shedding is really, I hardly receive any shedding at all. Tangling, I don't receive any as well. It's pretty good. It always feels like butter. I don't really receive any snags either. Now, of course, if I go all day and don't comb out my hair, then I may get a snag, but I mean, the snag is like where you can just run your fingers through it and get it right out. But I've had no issues when it comes to shedding, tangling, or the maintenance at all. Okay, y'all, so when it comes to the hair length, I want to move the camera down so you can see, of course, where it falls on me. And for those that do not know, I am 5'7", so I'm gonna pull it down. Okay, y'all, so with me being 5'7", this is where the hair falls on me, and I do have a 24-inch. I did, again, trim the ends, so this is how I am looking. So yes, you all, when it comes to my final thoughts and opinions, when it comes to this hair, I really do like it. I really do feel like if you're looking for something for a wig unit or as well as a sew unit, I really do think you would enjoy this hair. Of course, you already know, I do say do your research if this company is new to you or you don't know anything about this company, or if you have not purchased anything from this company, just please do your research some so you can get kind of familiar with it. I like it. I really do like it. I have not had any issues. This hair is a breeze. It's lightweight. It's airy. It's buttery, soft. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And I did not dye this hair. This is the natural color and texture of the hair. So yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If any of you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, you already know to just leave them on down below for me, and I will get back to you all as soon as I possibly can. If you did enjoy this review, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so I know. And also, if you are not a subscriber, why not? Like, why not? Go ahead on and hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'll be waiting. Y'all know I love you very dearly. I'm going to talk to you guys very soon. I do hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day or night whenever you all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye, y'all.